Dear students, welcome you all. Today let's continue with aliphatic amines. So amines are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen compounds. It occurs widely in living organisms. Many amines are naturally occurring compounds that are very active physiologically, and numerous drugs used for the treatment of mental illness, hay fever, heart problems and other physical disorders are amines. So here the bonding characteristics of nitrogen atoms in organic compounds, what it is here, the understanding the bonding characteristics of the nitrogen atom is a prerequisite to our study of amines. Nitrogen is a member of group valency atom, that is of the periodic table. It has 5 valency electrons. It will form 3 covalent bonds and to complete its octet of electrons. Okay, now nitrogen, it is having the atomic number 7. So here in organic chemistry, in organic chemistry, carbon forms 4 bonds, that is 4 valency electron, 4 covalent bond, no non-bonding electron pair. Nitrogen forms 3 bonds, 5 valency electron and 3 covalent bond, 1 non-bonding electron pair. Oxygen forms 2 bonds, 6 valency electron, 2 covalent bonds and 2 non-bonding electron pair. So here this is about what is the aliphatic amines. Next, the content, what we are going to see today, content, that is properties and factors of aromatic amines in the set. Properties means physical and chemical properties, that is basicity and solubility and all. That the factors means the factors, how it is affecting the properties, how we can determine overcome the factors. This is next, the physical properties of aromatic amines, aliphatic amines. Physical properties of amines. What it is said, first one, physical state, that is it is the lower members of aliphatic amines or gases with a smell of ammonia, and higher members are mostly liquids with a fishy smell. So the boiling points, what is like ammonia, amines are polar compounds, except the tertiary amines, they can, except the tertiary amines, ammonia amines are polar compounds. So they can form intermolecular hydrogen bonds. So amines thus have higher boiling points than non-polar compounds of comparable molecular weights. So however, they have lower boiling points than corresponding alcohols or carboxylic acids. So these are the bonding, the molecular, that structure, the amines or formation, hydrogen bond takes place. So next, solubility. Amines, all 3 amines, that is primary, secondary, tertiary amines, capable of forming hydrogen bonds with water. The result of lower amines are quite soluble in water. So with a borderline solubility, using that being reached at about 6 carbon atoms. Okay, that is lower amines. It is quite soluble in water. Next to the this is solubility based on the hydrogen bond, how it is formation takes place. The amines are soluble in less polar solvents, like amines are less soluble in polar solvents, like example organic solvents, ether and alcohol, benzene and all organic solvents. So chemical properties, that is basicity of amine. Here what it is, amines like ammonia contain nitrogen with an unshared pair of electrons. So they resemble ammonia in chemical behavior. Okay, amines and ammonia. Next, the basic, what is basicity of amine? The basic character of amine, it is amines are basic in nature. They can accept a proton from water, then it can form water soluble salt with mineral acids. So it is amine, it is react mineral acids to form the salt. So the stronger bases than water, it is amines are strong base than water, that but weak base than hydroxide ions or alkoxide ions. Hydroxide ion is OH. So their basic nature is due to the availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen. The basic nature, based on that, the availability of the lone pair of electron present on the nitrogen. Okay. So these are the equations. First amine, primary amine, hydrochloric acid salt, it is producing. Primary amine, water, it is producing the ammonium and hydroxide ion. Next, these Another way we can express the that basicity through the basicity constant, which can be derived from the this following the equilibrium, that equations, that is equation amine plus water molecule, reversible irreversible reaction, ammonium and hydroxide ion. The Kb is the that dissociation constant or basicity constant for such an equilibrium may be expressed Kb equal to, that is formula, or NH3 ammonia, ammonium and hydroxide ion and amine NH2. So here the concentration of water can be ignored since the water is an excess and its concentration remains practically constant. So the basicity of amines depends on the which an amine can accept a proton from water to form quaternary ammonium salt. The strongly basic amine will have a greater tendency to accept a proton to give a greater concentration of ammonium and hydroxide ions will have a greater value of constant, basicity constant. Okay, in other words, the larger values of basicity constant are associated with amines which are strong base, while with the smaller Kp values indicates that the amines are weaker base. So the another we can tell the basicity of amines in pKb value equal to minus log Kb. So the smaller value of pKb, stronger is the basicity of amine. Stronger is the basicity of amine. So the pKb values of some aliphatic compounds, aliphatic amines, or this is the methylamine, that is you see from this table we can find out the aliphatic amines are stronger bases than ammonia. Okay, because the aliphatic amines lead to 4, the methylamine, ethylamine, CH3 NH2, CH3 CH2 NH2, CH3 twice NH. These are all are aliphatic amines, stronger base than ammonia. Okay, next ammonia it is the 4.3, 4.76 it will be. So next aromatic amines, that is C6H5NH2, that is aniline 9.42, are considerable weaker bases than ammonia. Okay, aromatic amines, aniline. Next, the alkyl substitute C6H5NHCH3, that is N-methylamine. Yeah. Next, C6H5NCH3 twice, N-dimethylamine. These are the stronger base than aniline, that is arylamine. Next, arylamines with aryl substitute, nitrogen diphenylamine, that is C6H5 twice NH, that is 13.2. It is the weaker base than the aniline. Okay. Next, the aliphatic amines are stronger base. So see, the aliphatic amines are stronger base than ammonia. Why? Because the basic nature of ammonia and amines due to the presence of unshared pair of electrons on nitrogen. So the aliphatic amines are stronger base than ammonia. This is explained by the electron releasing inductive effect and of alkyl group. Aliphatic amines contains one or more alkyl group attached to the nitrogen. So that is primary and secondary. So such alkyl group, an electron releasing, it increases the electron density on nitrogen, thus makes the electron pair more available for sharing. Okay, that electron releasing, it is helping the for electron pair more available for sharing the electrons. So ammonia, that is alkyl group, it releases and makes the electron pair more available. Like alkyl group releases the electrons and makes the electron pair more available. So next, what it is happening here, next, relative basicity of primary, secondary, tertiary aliphatic amines. The order of relative, this is only secondary amine more than the primary amine more than the tertiary amine. This is the order of relative basicity of primary and secondary, tertiary amines from their pKb value. Okay, so the next, the basis, on the basis of factors also we can determine the basicity of amine, that is inductive effect. First one, the electron releasing inductive effect of the alkyl groups tend to increase the electron density on nitrogen. So here the tertiary amine, it is having 3 alkyl group, should be more basic than secondary amine. So